At Johnson & Johnson, we are committed to playing our part in combating COVID-19. We've identified a lead COVID-19 vaccine candidate, and we're committed to supplying 1 billion safe and effective vaccines worldwide for emergency pandemic use.
At Amgen, we're ensuring our manufacturing operations are functioning so we keep making medicines for patients in Ireland and around the world.
Here at GSK, we've made our vaccine adjuvant technology available to scientists and research organisations globally who are working on promising COVID-19 vaccine candidates. This would allow more doses of eventual vaccine to be produced and, therefore, contribute to protecting more people.
At Takeda, we're really proud to be partnering with a local charity to support elderly people living at home during this time. Also, from our manufacturing sites, we have been able to provide personal protective equipment to the HSE to support frontline workers in the battle against coronavirus.